Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can disable the anti-theft feature on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments under this video. So let's get started. And if you've decided to turn off the anti-theft protection, you'll need to go into the phone settings on your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and select Face ID and Password. Then enter your phone password, if you have one, and then scroll down a little bit more. And this is where you'll be able to see Disable Security. You will need to go to this page and disable this feature. After that, maybe you have a newer model of iPhone. You'll have this timer where you'll have a countdown of 1 hour. And after that time, you'll have to go to Face ID Password again and confirm your action. This is how you can disable theft protection on your iPhone, friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, write your comments, also put your likes, and see you soon.